Can you really make money by using nothing but affiliate marketing? I'll tell you how in this video. Now before we get started, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So can you make money just by using affiliate marketing? The short answer is yes. The longer answer is it's not that easy. It is easy if you put in the time and do the work, but it does take a long time. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's something that you have to work towards. Affiliate marketing has become one of the new hottest ways to start making income on the internet. It's an exciting prospect and a lot of people are getting into it, and it's really easy to get into. Like I said, it's difficult to get it up and running, but once it is up and running, it can be a real awesome revenue generator. It may seem like magic that you just put a banner on a website and suddenly you start making money, but there's a lot more to it than that. Sure, one marketing tool that you could use for affiliate marketing is banners and ads, which means you'd have to have a website or some sort of content. If you want to know more about making a website, check out HindeSights.com. We've got information on how you can start a website and where you can go. Once you have a website up and running, it's quite easy to start plugging in banners and ads, but that alone won't generate you revenue. You need traffic. And how do you get traffic? Well, there's lots of ways to do that. There's solo ads, there's organic traffic, all of which take a lot of time. It doesn't happen overnight. You can't expect to put up a website and the next day have thousands of visitors with people seeing your ads and people clicking on those ads. It just doesn't happen. It does take a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of content, patience, patience, patience. Another aspect to affiliate marketing that's a good way to generate revenue is using email marketing. Part of that can be tied into your content. However, there's nothing quite like having that one-on-one contact with a potential customer, getting information right to them. There's a variety of different ways to collect email addresses. One way is by having a funnel of some kind. Just ClickFunnels for that. There's a few other programs out there that can do that as well. And you can get people to your funnel either on your page as content, or you can do a solo ad. There's a variety of different ways to do that and start building your list. Once you have your email lists established, you start sending offers to your subscribers. This is where you get some of your products you're offering with affiliate marketing in front of eyes, and you can make a pitch. It's much easier to do this with emails with subscribers because instead of trying to get traffic to your website, hopefully someone sees an ad banner, you can actually send out an email directly to how many subscribers you have. It'll take a while to build a sizable list. Once you do that, you have a wide consumer base at your fingertips. There's a few different programs and platforms you can use for email marketing. One that I would suggest using is Aweber. It's relatively simple to use, it's relatively cheap. Most of them do have a cost associated to them. Aweber is pretty reasonable though. Another important thing to realize is that because you're trying to make sales, it does require making a relationship, building a relationship. So whether it's followers on your Facebook page, if it's people visiting your website, if it's people watching your videos, if it's your email subscribers, you have to build that relationship up. You have to be seen as a trustworthy person. When I go buy a car, I don't go into the dealership and just buy a car from anybody. I know that a salesman is going to schmooze me, but at the same time, they're building a relationship with me, and I appreciate that. People are more willing to buy from somebody who is friendly, and you get to know. So you need to make sure you connect with your audience. Building that relationship is going to help you get a sale. And again, that's something else that takes a lot of time. So again, I think happens overnight with affiliate marketing, but it's very possible. The good news is there are a few shortcuts that will help you get a head start. If you haven't seen the post or the video yet, check out HindeSights.com. There's some videos on there, and there's a good post on there about mentoring that can tell you a little bit about how to avoid some pitfalls. For an easier shortcut, when you start looking at marketing products, one of the hassles is finding specific products and then getting HTML code, putting it on your site, getting email swipes, all those things. If you use ClickBank, I have a really cool tool. It's called MyCBGenie. It's a program that leverages ClickBank products and basically auto-populates your website with ad banners based on your niche. It's kind of a cool shortcut. It does take a little bit more of a cut off of a commission. However, it's a cool way to get more ads in front of people without having to do a lot of extra legwork. So that's a cool little shortcut. So all in all, it comes back down to it. Yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing. No, it doesn't happen overnight. It does take some time. It takes effort. It takes producing content. It takes building relationships. It is almost like a full-time job. Again, if you haven't done it yet, check out HindeSights.com. Address is in the video description down below. Check out the resources we have there. It will help you get a good head start. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.